Well, spring is finally here, and it is time to get the trailer ready to go for the upcoming season. First thing we need to do though is we are changing out the tires. Our tires are about 5-6 years old on this, and we came into some other ones, so we thought before we have a blowout or have a tire go bad, probably ought to change them. Now let's get to the tires. Tires are a little bit more difficult for this trailer that we have because our trailer comes with 20-inch American racing wheels. And it makes it really hard to find trailer tires that fit. What we found is we can find half-ton truck tires that fit. And my buddy had bought a new Toyota Tundra, and he decided he wanted to switch out his wheels and tires, so I bought his wheels and tires off of him for 600 bucks, cheaper than I could get any other tires for this. And looking at the expiration date on this, these were made in 2016. So it's 2022 now. It's time for them to be traded out. They still look pretty good overall though. I could probably run them for another year without a problem, but better safe than sorry, and I really don't want to blow them out and cause problems. So might as well just get them switched out now. These are Toyos. The new tires are Bridgestone. But if you don't know, if you're wondering how to tell when your tires were made, all that sort of stuff, I've always been told about 5 years is how long to run them. But right down here, I don't know if this is showing up, but it gives you this code. Your last two numbers are the year, so, and this is the week. So the 16th week of 2016 is when these were built. So with being built in 2016, and I've ran them, I don't know, probably 10,000 to 15,000 miles, might as well trade them out. Lucky for us, we don't have to go very far, just pull forward about 10-20 feet, and my neighbor, he does mobile tire service, and he'll just pull up to my driveway. We'll swap them out right there. No muss, no fuss. About the easiest way you can get tires done is have them come to your house and do it, right? I do have to say, this trailer is a pain to find a place to jack up on. All right, 1-9. This thing back on. So far, so good. The crappy tin caps on these lugs sucks. Be replacing those, because if we got a flat out on the road, we'd be in trouble trying to get those off. But put them on here for now, then we can change them out next week. I don't know if it gets any easier to change out your tires than that. Had to pull forward all of 10 feet. So much nicer than going down to a tire shop. But these tires, they were made the last week of 2019, so they're 2 years old, but they've been in the garage and they should last us, you know, several more years. And it's just one of those things that, for peace of mind, it's good to get them changed out and not be driving on, you know, 5+ year old tires. Comment down below, do you actually drag your trailer enough to wear out the tires? For us, we don't. I wish we did, but that's not what's happened so far. These new Bridgestones should be pretty good. They aren't built quite as heavy as the last set. They're 2,500 pounds each for their weight carrying capacity. Last set was like 27-ish, I think. Still plenty for this trailer, since not really that heavy in the end. As always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all those sort of things. And until next time, enjoy your weekend.